There, press harder. There you go.
So how is it? How is it being
You're living.
being only child at
You went
home?
so
Can
far
you
away.
tell us the life
Just
being
stay pause there.
only child?
Mm. Okay. This is damaged, so put stick and press hard, and then we take.
Is that the one you?
I think that's the one I like. Okay. Oopsie.
I didn't press hard enough. I thought that I didn't press hard enough.
Okay. Alright.
Yeah, I can feel
It needs
what
strong
you felt.
hands.
Because even me, I don't
Oh
like
my
also
goodness,
if
the
I am
power
only
is
child
gone.
at
Yeah,
home.
because it went 2 times off yesterday. In the morning and at night.
Yeah, yes,
Oh
I do.
my
I do
goodness.
have a sibling.
Our stuff will never be ready.
Ooh.
Wow.
This was just good.
We just have to keep the others. I don't know. Even we don't even need to press it because we're not going to put them in the oven. It's going to be another 2 hours. Wow. What time was it when we put them in? Does anybody remember? Okay, just press those. Just press those. It's fine. But they will dry out. That's the thing.
You should probably just keep this.
And we need to bag that. We need to put it all together. And we don't have a ziploc bag. If we do, then if we had started it just a few 30 minutes earlier, we would have had 3 batches to eat. But this, I wonder what time it was there. I didn't watch. It actually might cook. There is heat that is in here. Yeah. We didn't watch the time.
So the